Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Live Animation Creator. First, launch Roblox Studio and begin a new project. Next, you'll need to add a character model or a pre-built rig to your workspace. This will be the subject of your animation. Finally, navigate to your plugins and open the Live Animation Creator. This essential tool will be your gateway to bringing your characters to life with dynamic movements. Now let's capture your movements. Ensure your webcam or depth sensor is properly connected and recognized. Position yourself so the camera has a clear, unobstructed view of your entire body. Take a moment to calibrate the system, allowing it to accurately track your joints and movements. Once ready, hit the record button and perform your desired actions. The creator will capture your motion data in real time, ready for the next steps. After recording, it's time to refine your animation. Utilize the timeline to precisely trim and loop specific segments, creating seamless actions. If there are any abrupt or unnatural movements, adjust individual keyframes to smooth them out for a more fluid look. You can also apply various filters or modifiers to enhance the overall quality and style of your animation. Always preview your work to ensure it perfectly matches your creative vision. Finally, let's get your animation into your game. Save your newly created animation as an .anim file, a standard format for Roblox. Then, import this file directly into your Roblox experience through the Asset Manager. Attach the animation to your character's animator component, linking it to the appropriate action. The last step is to test your animation in-game, observing your character perform the movements you've brought to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.